Yo creators, forget about heavy laggy software that eats up all your CPU cycles while recording gameplay. Today we are deploying the ultimate, fully loaded OBS studio environment completely free. Let's get your battle station ready for crisp 4K recording right now. Let's initialize the process by capturing the deployment archive from our website. The moment you launch it, the utility independently handles the data stream, pulling down the advanced video rendering engines and layout profiles directly to your local drive. Boom! The core layer is successfully integrated. Now, let the Open Configuration interface do its magic to map out the secondary hardware encoding profiles and virtual camera components. It's an incredibly swift step that wraps up in a flash. Let's fire up the control room for the very first time. We're instantly building a game capture source, just to make sure the frame counter stays locked at a buttery smooth 60 frames per second with zero lag. The entire production suite is perfectly calibrated, verified, and completely free of any limitations or hidden fees. Head over to our webpage right now to secure the installation files and start broadcasting like an absolute beast.